everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Kaneen. Thanks for tuning in again for another cooking video. Today I'm going to share with you a review on the Trader Joe's corn cookie baking mix. This mix has been very popular this summer, and this is what it looks like. Corn cookie baking mix. And I've seen a lot of reviews on it, and a lot of them positive, and I wanted to give it a try and see what I thought about it and bring it to you in case you wanted to try it as well. Now, all you need is 1 can of this, a large egg, and 2 sticks of unsalted butter. The only downside I see is that you have to make the whole can of cookie mix, which yields about 24 medium-sized cookies. So I will be giving some away, but it's all good. We're going to just get right into it and start baking. And thanks again for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not part of my viewing family. So now I'm just creaming the 2 sticks of butter. You want to make sure they're at room temperature. My butter could have been a little softer, so I had to work it a little bit to get it creamed. But my KitchenAid did stop. And once it's creamed, we will add the other ingredients. So now I'm just scraping down the sides really well, and then I'm going to add the other ingredients. What I love about Trader Joe's mixes is that they're very simple. This one only takes 3 ingredients, and I've tried, some of their other mixes, and they're all delicious. So I have high hopes for this one. So I'm adding the 1 egg and the entire can of the baking mix. And I'm going to mix that. I'm going to start off on low because if you start too high, the mix will fly everywhere. So start off on low and just build it up. Now the mix is a cookie dough mix, so it will get kind of, tough to mix around on you. Just once it's mixed a little bit, raise the speed a little bit and it'll get it going. And so you want to just make sure that everything is incorporated with the butter and the egg. And once it's incorporated, you're done. Since this is a crumbly dough, I just pinched a little bit in my hand just to make sure that it formed a ball, and it did. So I knew that it was ready. So all I'm going to do now is scrape down the bowl just to make sure everything is incorporated off the sides and the bottom. And after that, I'm ready to form them and put them on the cookie sheet. So I like to use a silk pad to make sure that the cookies don't stick to the sheet pan. You can also use some parchment paper. And here I'm going to use this cookie scoop. And it's about a tablespoon size. It works really well to scoop out even cookies. And I'm just packing it in, as you see, and it forms a perfect ball. And I do 3 per row just to give them some space to spread. And now they are ready to go into a 325-degree oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. So here are the cookies fresh out of the oven. It smelled so good in my kitchen while these cookies were baking that I could not wait to taste them. So I let them cool for about 5 minutes on the pan, and then I transferred them to a wire rack to cool a little bit more. But I did want to try it a little warm, so they are slightly still warm here, and as you can see, they're just very chewy type of cookie, and I like that. I love a chewy cookie. So let me just taste it and give you my reaction. Okay, so I want to give these a taste and let you know what I think. Okay, as you saw, they are very soft. I love a soft cookie. These are delicious. Now, I love sweet cornbread. So if you love sweet cornbread, you will love these cookies. It tastes like sweet cornbread, but like between a sweet cornbread and sugar cookie combination. It's very interesting. And they have this like chewy texture to them. These are really good. If you don't like sweet cornbread, You might not be a fan, but in my mind, who doesn't love sweet cornbread, Mr. Bath? But this is really, really delicious. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments what you think. And as you can see, I can't stop eating. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy cooking.